What's up, graphic designers? Next week is Red Ribbon Week, not just at the New York City Lab School, though, but nationwide. And we're going to take advantage of the opportunity to create a little bit of marketing to encourage other labbies to make smart decisions related to their health and well being. As we have Andrew Yan, who's pledged to be safe, healthy, and drug free. And I just got off the phone with Bad Bunny, and he's agreed to pledge to being safe, healthy, and drug free as well. So kudos to both of them. We're going to be working on this in class, and we're going to be starting with your PNGs. And this project is inspired by Miss Ramos downstairs in room 103. And here's what I know. This is going to be your blank. You're going to get this as a JPEG, and where you're going to be modeling your design off of this template. So you're going to generate, you're going to think about like a celebrity that might make a compelling pairing with you. And we've been talking a lot about contrast in terms of text, but also like composition, color, maybe someone that's a little bit different from you. Although when I think of Andrew Yan, I definitely think of Bad Bunny. So we just learned how to use that new selection tool, not the magnetic lasso, but the object selection tool. And so this is pretty easy. I'm simply making a selection. I'm going to release. We're going to press Command C, Command V. And what we're going to want is our celebrity to be pretty big. We want him featured prominently on this marketing. And so I'm using this template as inspiration. And so that looks good right about there. Maybe you have Adele. Maybe you have Daniel Dimes. I think the New York Jets and Giants are going to turn things around. So I'm going to drag in Mr. Yan, and we're going to have Andrew a little bit bigger. And yikes, we're going to have it proportional. You're going to include your name, the celebrity of your choice, and the text in which you're committing to being safe, healthy, drug-free. We're going to include the PNG for Ms. Ramos in the lower right-hand corner along with this red ribbon logo. So now when you download these images in Photoshop, there's a few ways you can sort of shift them from one tab to another. So you can press Command A, that selects everything, and then Command Shift C if there's multiple layers, or just Command C if it's just one. And then Command V, of course. We're going to need to shrink this down. But another way to do this that, I don't know, maybe will make your life a little bit easier is, okay, here's how. I'm going to press Command Shift C. I'm actually going to press Command V. So now it's on a single layer. And what we can do now is I'm just clicking and dragging to the tab, and then I'm going to release. Oh, that's cool. So I've got this one layer right here, right? I'm going to click and drag, and this might fill up the whole image, up and release. So that's like a pretty easy and convenient way to copy layers from one tab to another in Photoshop. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see you work. We're creating a great culture at Lab where we are pledging to be safe, healthy, and drug-free. Let me know if you have any questions. Save this as a JPEG and as a PSD because we may work on this project in subsequent classes. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.